What's the meaning of ACT? Act. 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 ACT can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning is the abbreviation for American College Testing, which refers to a standardized test used in the college admissions process in the United States. Another meaning for ACT could be the action of doing something or taking steps to accomplish a goal. Furthermore, ACT can also refer to the Australian Capital Territory, the smallest territory in Australia. In summary, the meaning of ACT depends on the context in which it is used and can refer to a standardized test, an action taken to accomplish a goal, or a territory in Australia.